Hello, a very beautiful day to you. Can forest guards succeed where previous security efforts have struggled? Will the deployment of thousands of new operatives finally deny bandits and kidnappers the safe havens that they have used for years? Or is Nigeria simply witnessing another ambitious security initiative that will face the same challenges as those before it? Those questions are becoming increasingly important as states across Nigeria move rapidly to deploy forest guards under the federal government-backed initiative aimed at tackling insecurity, protecting rural communities, and reclaiming forests that have become notorious hideouts for criminal groups. The urgency behind the initiative reflects a growing reality confronting many parts of the country. Across several states, forests have evolved from natural resources into operational bases for kidnappers, bandits, terrorists, and other criminal elements. From the northwest to parts of the north-central region and beyond, communities located near forest corridors have repeatedly suffered attacks, abductions, and violent raids carried out by armed groups taking advantage of difficult terrain and limited security presence. The latest push gained momentum after President Bola Tinubu approved the recruitment of 1,000 forest guards following recent abductions and attacks that shocked the nation. The decision came amid mounting public pressure for stronger action against insecurity and growing demands for better protection of rural communities. Across the country, state governments are responding with varied levels of urgency. In Kebbi State, more than 800 newly trained forest guards have already completed an intensive training program and have been deployed into vulnerable forest corridors. Authorities say the mission is simple: deny criminal groups the ability to use forests as safe operational bases while improving intelligence gathering in remote areas. The significance of this move cannot be underestimated. For years, security agencies have faced enormous challenges in tracking criminal groups that exploit vast forest reserves to evade detection. These forests often provide natural cover, multiple escape routes, and strategic positions from which attacks can be launched against surrounding communities. Gombe State has also embraced the initiative aggressively. Hundreds of recruits are currently undergoing specialized training designed to prepare them for surveillance operations, intelligence collection, and forest security duties. State authorities have committed significant resources to the program, signaling their belief that forest security will play a critical role in strengthening broader security operations. Kwara State has gone even further. Thousands of forest guards have reportedly been recruited and deployed across different parts of the state. Officials say these operatives are working alongside conventional security agencies and local vigilante groups to improve security coverage in areas previously affected by criminal activities. The expansion demonstrates how seriously some state governments are taking the threat posed by armed groups operating from forest environment. Kaduna State is following a similar path. The training of 1,000 recruits is already commenced, with many of the trainees selected from communities that have experienced repeated attacks. Authorities believe local knowledge of terrain and community dynamics will give these operatives an advantage in identifying suspicious activities and gathering useful intelligence before attacks occur. Meanwhile, other states are adopting different approaches. Ondo State maintains that its existing Amotekun Corps already performs many of the responsibilities associated with forest security. Officials argue that their local security architecture has been strengthened through additional recruitment and specialized forest ranger units already operating in vulnerable areas. Anambra, Bayelsa, Imo, Edo, Kano, Katsina, and Ekiti states have also taken steps to integrate forest security into their wider security frameworks. In many cases, foreign guards are working alongside local vigilante hunters, community security groups, and conventional security agencies to monitor forests and disrupt criminal activities. Yet, despite the enthusiasm surrounding the initiative, important questions remain. Security experts caution that recruitment alone will not solve Nigerian security challenges. Training, logistics, intelligence support, equipment, communication system, mobility, and coordination with existing security agencies will all determine whether the program succeeds or struggles. Some experts have also warned against assigning forest guards responsibilities beyond their training. While forest guards can play valuable roles in surveillance, intelligence gathering, and monitoring remote areas, high-risk combat operations may still require specialized military and police units. Without clear operational guidelines, there is a risk of confusion, overlapping responsibilities, and reduced effectiveness. Funding remains another major concern. Several states have acknowledged that maintaining large numbers of forest guards requires significant financial resources. Salaries, training programs, equipment procurement, transportation, and operational support all demand sustained investment. Without adequate funding, even well-designed security initiatives can quickly lose momentum. Regardless, many Nigerians view the initiative as a positive step. Communities that have lived under the constant threat of attacks are eager for any measure that improves security. Farmers want access to their farmlands without fear. Travelers want safer roads. Parents want schools protected. Rural residents want assurance that criminal groups can no longer operate freely from nearby forests. The initiative also reflects a broader shift in Nigeria's security thinking. Instead of concentrating exclusively on reacting to attacks after they occur, authorities appear increasingly focused on denying criminal groups access to the environment that support their operations. By targeting forests, governments hope to disrupt planning activities, reduce mobility, and increase pressure on criminal networks. President Tinubu has repeatedly stated that his administration will not surrender to terrorism, banditry, or criminal intimidation. His latest comment emphasized that safeguarding lives remains the government's highest priority and that additional efforts are being made to secure communities and rescue those held in captivity. As forest guards begin deployment across multiple states, expectations are rising. Citizens want results. They want safer communities. They want fewer kidnappings. They want fewer attacks and stronger protection for vulnerable areas. Whether forest guards become a game-changing security solution or another chapter in Nigeria's long struggle against insecurity will depend largely on implementation. Training must be effective. Intelligence must be actionable. Coordination must be seamless. Community cooperation must be sustained. One thing is certain, Nigeria's forests have become a critical front in the fight against insecurity. And with thousands of forest guards preparing to enter those forests, the battle to reclaim these spaces from criminal groups is entering a new phase. The coming months may determine whether these ambitious efforts deliver the security gains that millions of Nigerians have been waiting for. So, do you believe forest guards can help reduce banditry and kidnappings in Nigeria? Or should the government focus on other security measures? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this report informative, please like the video, subscribe to Fexness News for more breaking news and in-depth analysis. Thank you so much for being with us today. That will be all for now. My name is Emerald Onufe.